You don't need a fancy degree or expensive gear, just your phone, your passion, and some consistency. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start earning on YouTube with what you already have. Stop being a consumer, start being a creator. Let's do this.
So guys, do you know I just went to work and I found out that today I had not made a video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to use this AI and make a video. This is for you who think you cannot make a video because you don't want to be in a camera. Maybe you don't have time. I don't have time, by the way. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use ChatGPT, and at the same time I use a bot also. This bot is going to make me a video. So let's go together and you see how I'm doing it. Yeah, that's it. Remember, the goal is to make sure that we make money online. The goal is to make sure that our handsets are giving us money. Irrespective, it is going to be faceless. I'm not going to do it myself. So watch this video and tell me what you think.
How many YouTube videos have you watched this week? Now, how many have you uploaded? If the answer is none, you're just watching others chase their dreams. It's time to flip the script and get in the game. YouTube has over 2.7 billion users every month, and creators have earned over $30 billion in just 3 years. You don't need a fancy degree or expensive gear, just your phone, your passion, and some consistency. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start earning on YouTube with what you already have. Stop being a consumer, start being a creator. Let's do this. Before you hit record, ask yourself, why are you starting a YouTube channel? If it's just for money, you'll burn out fast. Your real motivation should be about providing value, making people laugh, teaching, inspiring, or sharing your passion. The creators you love give you something real. That's what keeps people coming back. You don't need to be perfect or an expert. Being authentic and relatable is your superpower. Your quirks and unique perspective will build a community, not just an audience. I started with just my phone and a window for light, no fancy gear. You don't need millions of views to make an impact. A small, engaged audience is more valuable than a huge, passive one. Forget vanity metrics. Focus on your why and on providing value. That's the foundation for everything, including making money. Start with purpose and the rest will follow. This journey won't be easy. You'll post videos that barely get views, maybe only your mom watches. Everyone faces doubts, tech issues, and creative blocks. It's normal. Don't fear challenges, expect them. Every failure is a lesson. Top creators have failed more times than you've tried. The difference? They didn't quit. Stay focused on your why and pace yourself. Start with one video a week. Consistency builds momentum and trains your audience. Progress beats perfection. Your first videos won't be your best, but you'll improve with every upload. Hit record, edit, post, repeat. Don't let fear stop you from starting. Progress is the goal. Just keep moving forward, one video at a time. You don't need a fancy camera or studio. Your phone is enough. The camera in your pocket is more powerful than pro gear from a decade ago. Use natural light from a window, your voice, and your passion. People subscribe for you, not for 4K video. Talk about what you love. There's an audience for every interest. Don't chase trends you don't care about. Your excitement is contagious. You can film, edit, and upload all from your phone. No more excuses. Start today. Here's how you make money. First, join the YouTube Partner Program by hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. It sounds big, but consistency and value get you there. Once in, you earn from ads. AdSense is just the start. You can also make money from channel memberships, super chats, and super stickers. Fans can support you directly, like a virtual tip jar. The real money often comes from brand deals and sponsorships as your channel grows. Affiliate marketing is another stream. Share links, earn commissions, build trust with your audience, and you can monetize in multiple ways. Focus on value, and the income will follow. It all starts with building your community. The most important factor is your mindset. Every top creator started as a beginner, awkward, unsure, and with zero audience. They chose action over waiting for perfection. YouTube is a skill you learn by doing, not by watching. Challenge yourself. Stop scrolling, start creating. Use your time to invest in yourself and your ideas. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It'll never come. Decide to start, even if it's scary or imperfect. Getting started is always better than waiting. You have the blueprint. No more excuses. Your phone is enough, your voice matters, and you know the steps. The opportunity is huge, but you have to take the first step. Film a short intro, brainstorm ideas, and just start. Like this video if you learned something, comment your channel idea below, and hit subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Now go create. It's your turn to join the creator economy.